So now that we've talked about how to take notes and give a halter set of reasons, we're going to talk about what you would do in a performance class. Now, in some performance classes that are performed on the rail, like Western Pleasure or Hunter Under Saddle, the procedure is basically the same as a halter class. You're going to take your notes in the same format, and the reasons format is the same. But when you get to classes with a pattern and a penalty point system, such as reining, Western riding, trail, or a Hunt-C equitation, or a Western horsemanship, your note-taking procedure is going to be a lot different. So when we look at how to set up our notebook for that type of class, we're going to have long rows across our notebook for each horse, and then we're going to use a reining class as an example. And this pattern, I have filled in the 8 maneuvers in this pattern across the top. And this would be different for each class, and you would find this out in a contest beforehand. So in the class we're going to watch, it's a reining class, and the pattern is the first maneuver is a stop and back, and then I've got a column for the 4 spins to the right, 4 1/4 spins to the left, and then our circles to the left, circles to the right, and then right roll back, left roll back, the final stop. And then out here, I usually like to leave a column to add up the final score, and then maybe any other general type notes that I want to write about that horse. Another important thing to remember in a class that has a point system is we like to make our notepad so we can keep our penalty points and our maneuver scores separate. So you might want to make the top half of your box only for penalty points. So you could find those more easily when you're wanting to go back and work up your notes. So maybe the first place horse has a 1-point penalty. So you want to go ahead and write that up there. But then your bottom set of boxes would be for quality or maneuver score type of your scores and your comments about that. So if I wanted to, if this horse had kind of a poor stop and back and I gave it a -1/2 maneuver score, and I wanted to remind myself that he was mouthy, that's the type of things I would write in this bottom section. So now we're going to watch this class of reining for you to practice taking notes on, and then when we come back, I will help you go through how to fill out your reasons format boxes off of your notes and then give an example set of reining reasons.